Hey guys, it's Core Ross, and today we're 3D printing and assembling the LAS-58 Talon, which is a fictional prop from Helldivers 2. And if you want to give this a go yourself, you'll find a link in the description below to the original designer's files. They are all free, and I'll be resin printing my version today. And one of the great things about this print is there's not many parts at all, so assembly is super simple, and you end up with this massive thing at the end of the day. Of course, I decided to go with a resin print here. This means we can do a gloss coat on this and make it look nice and shiny rather than doing it with FDM. And we'd have the layer lines. This just looks really, really good. And you can see all the parts here. There's no need for any instructions. It's really simple on how this goes together. I am missing a piece, which is there's a red dot you can put on the back, but I just didn't feel like I needed it. I think it looks honestly great without it as well. So I decided, even though I did print it, I decided not to add it on. So here is all the parts now painted up and weathered. And I think everything has come out looking really exceptional, especially this part here, because I've not done any finishing work on this. So you can see a little bit of where the layer lines would be in the resin, but not enough that it's a problem in person. So she's looking absolutely gorgeous. Now I did do my own design here, which is for this part. So there is a couple of rods you get with this 3D print. One is for the handle and all that. But the unfortunate thing is there's not one for this pivoting mechanism at all. So I went ahead and I designed one really quickly to go in there. And then that means we have the ability for this now to hinge. And it looks really cool. Nice to just drop this in and slot it up. Really cool. There's nothing to hold this in place, so preferably you probably want to install some magnets or stuff like that to hold it up, as the yellow bit will just flop down if you're holding the handle. However, this is of course just going to be a nice visual piece to look at, a little bit of art, and I think it does that job incredibly well. And overall, I'm extremely happy with how this has come out. I think I've also done a pretty good job with the weather and paint job too. And because this is a resin print, I did use a file to actually score up some of the 3D prints and put holes in them. So I could just then paint that with metallic paint. So it looks like it's actually scored into metal. So it all looks and feels really cool. It's also a nice stunning piece. That yellow really makes this something else. And of course, having the cartridge going in and out makes it have a little bit of a fidget element, which is nice to play around with. And it only needs some magnets to be added to give this thing some overall rigidity, which should be relatively simple to do. But yeah, guys, I'll give you some high quality photos at the end of this video. You can tell me what you think of it. But I just have to say it, right? Passion wise, I'm loving this. Like, there's so many incredible free files online that you can go ahead and 3D print. And now that I'm really diving into resin 3D printing, it has been so much fun to do stuff like this. And like, just, yeah, this thing is incredibly satisfying. So I'll leave you with a couple of high quality photos. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll catch you next time.